With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi everyone, let's take a question. So here the question is, which of the following statement is incorrect about the extractive metallurgy of the copper? Okay, so here we are given with the four statements and we have to say which statement is incorrect. If we talk about the extraction of the copper, okay, or we talk about the extractive metallurgy of the copper, okay, so it involves the complete process. Okay, it involves the complete process. So here in this what happens is the sulfide ores, okay, they are after the concentration by the froth flotation process. Okay, after the concentration by the froth flotation process, okay, they are first roasted. They are roasted in a reverberatory furnace to convert it into the oxides. Okay, first it means that first we have the copper pyrite. Okay, we have is CuFeS2. Okay, we have CuFeS2. Okay, but when we use the, this is our copper pyrite. This is copper pyrite. Okay, and when we have, okay, when we have the froth flotation process, then when we have the froth flotation process, okay, so here what happens is we have the reaction that is CuFeS2 plus O2. Here we have Cu2S plus FeS. Okay, and here we have is plus SO2. Okay, this is 2, here we have 2. Okay, and this one, this complete mixture is known as the mat. This is known as the mat. Okay, so here after this reaction what we have, 2 FeS plus 3 O2. Okay, and then we have is 2 FeO plus 2 SO2, and then we have 2 Cu2S plus 3 O2, and then we have is 2 Cu2O, okay, and 2 SO2. We have is 2 SO2. Okay, so here what is happening? Here, this is the whole process which we follow for the extractive metallurgy of the copper. Even we have one more reaction, okay, so that is 2 Cu2S plus 3 O2. Okay, and then what we have? This is the same reaction. Okay, this is the same reaction with this one. This is a similar reaction to this reaction. Okay, just the difference is that here we have shown the reaction of copper pyrite. Okay, and then we have moved forward to the this reaction. Okay, after this reaction now we know that iron is more reactive than copper. Okay, so here FeS is preferentially oxidized to FeO, then Cu2S. Okay, then here in the next step we will have Cu2O plus FeS. Here we have is Cu2S plus FeO. Okay, the roasted ore, this is our roasted ore which mainly consists of the Cu2S plus FeO and along with the some amount of FeS. Okay, and then this FeO, okay, then what happens is the roasted ore is then mixed with the silica. Then it is mixed with the silica and some powdered coke. Okay, and it is heated in a blast furnace, and that process is our smelting. That is our smelting process. Okay, so during the smelting what happens is the FeO, this combines with the silica and we have the formation of the slag. This is our slag. Okay, this FeSiO3 is our slag. Okay, so after this when we have the slag formation, in the end we will have another reaction, okay, in which we have the formation of the blister copper. Okay, we have the formation of blister copper. Okay, and that is 2 Cu2O plus Cu2S. Here we have 6 Cu plus SO2. Okay, that is our 6 Cu plus SO2. Okay, the impure metal. Okay, the impure metal which contains 1% impurity, that is our blister metal. Blister copper, here we have one another reaction, that is this one, 3O2 2 Cu2O plus 2 SO2. So this involves the whole extractive metallurgy of the copper. Okay, here we have the Bessemer converter for the copper. Okay, here we have the Bessemer converter of the copper, from where, from the mat. Okay, from the mat we obtain the copper. From the matte we have the formation of the copper. Okay, so that's why we use the Bessemer converter. So for the first is, here we have cuprous sulfide and some ferrous matte. No, it is incorrect, because here we also have FeO. Here we also have the FeO. Okay, right, here we also have the FeO. Here we have already seen, here we also have the presence of the FeO. So we can't say that we only have these two things. Okay, so that's why here this is incorrect, so it will be our answer. It will be our answer because we need to tell the incorrect statement, right? Okay, sorry. So here our first option is correct. Okay, here our first option is correct. It will not be our answer, because yes, the matte consists of the ferrous sulfide only. Okay, this is not our matte. Our matte we have already discussed that this is our matte. Okay, so here it means that here our correct, this is the correct statement, so it will not be our answer. Okay, so the next statement is, the most of the impurity of iron sulfide is removed as the fusible slag during, it is incorrect, so it will be our answer, because the FeSiO3 formation, that was a slag formation, was during the smelting. Okay, it means that here the process is wrong. Here it would have been the smelting process. Okay, so here the next is, the copper pyrite is concentrated. Yes, this is also correct. We have already studied that the it is concentrated by froth flotation. Then we have the roasting, right? Copper obtained from the Bessemer converter is called blister. Yes, it is also correct. It is also correct, because we have already discussed that the we use the matte to for the formation of copper in the Bessemer converter. Okay, and that copper have the 1% impurity, that's why it is known as the blister copper. Okay, so it means this is also correct. So here our answer is this one, most of the impurity of iron sulfide is removed as a fusible slag during roasting. Okay, so this is our answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.